Hi, my name is Nathan. I am part of the ALBINA family. Today, we are going to make Lechon Liempo. Don't forget to like and subscribe at the end of the video. Enjoy! Before we start, please wash and clean the liempo slab before marinating. First, brush the skin with vinegar. For a crispy texture, pierce or poke the skin with a fork or a tip of the knife. Then slit the pork 1 inch apart. When that's done, let's prepare our rub mixture. Combine brown sugar, paprika, pepper, salt, and garlic. Then mix it all together. Brush the slab with soy sauce or seasoning sauce. Make sure to brush the inside of the slits for more flavor. Then rub the spice mixture. Arrange the lemongrass, rosemary, onions, and garlic on the slab. You can add more garlic for more garlicky flavor. Then add lemon juice, lemon zest. Then let's get ready to roll the slab. Now let's prepare a set of strings under the pork belly. Then lift your pork belly on the side and roll it over and make sure that you're getting a nice tight roll. Now that the hard part is done, brush the skin with soy sauce or seasoning sauce before setting it in the fridge to marinate overnight. Now enjoy your crispy and juicy liempo. Sarap yan! Oh yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe. Enjoy!